We got this Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. So we about to remove these two rear tires. I know when I was pushing it into the shop, I can see the rear axles jumping. So I'm gonna take off the tires, the side cover, the belt housing, and we'll take off from there. Okay, I got the back fenders off, belt cover off, tires off, muffler, got the muffler off. So next it'll be unbolting the rear frame, A-arms, shocks, about everything have to come off on the rear end to remove the transmission. So I'm gonna take a second and get on that, and we'll be right back. All right, I got everything off. Got all of the mounts for the transmission out. Now it's time to remove it. Stay tuned. All right. Got it out. The best way to remove it is straight back. I didn't remove the shocks. If y'all don't want nothing falling in the way, something like that, just go ahead and remove the shocks. And then when you're ready to remove it, I sprayed a little lubricant on this U-joint. Got it moving a little bit, tapped it on out. Pulled it straight back and to the right. Slid right up out there. Stay tuned. All right, I got it apart. I already found the problem. Chain too loose. And this mug is sloppy. When I put it back together, I'm gonna make sure I clean it out real good. But get some parts ordered, and we'll be back to it. Got it all cleaned out, wiped down, got the chain replaced. I'm waiting on the tensioner. Clean the back part of the other half of the transmission. We're gonna put it back together. Reverse.